Google Pixel 3a teardown gives better repairability score and confirms Samsung made display. So how about that? You might not have expected to get a Samsung made OLED display in a phone that's going to retail for $399. And once again, iFixit is back. Bring in the heat, bring in the fire. They do a great job with the wonderful images. And this Pixel 3a is kind of growing on me a bit now. Turns out you can kind of repair it. Better repairability score. And the display is manufactured by, probably in my opinion, the best display manufacturer there is for smartphones. I think most people would agree, particularly when it comes to OLED displays for smartphones. So, right there, rumors pointed, what does it say? Rumors pointed to a G-OLED display made by LG, but this is unmistakably a Samsung panel. So it was a bit of speculation leading up to it, but I think that's a good thing when it comes to, most people's taste buds, at least online, when the comparison is made, people seem to have a preference for Samsung OLED panels. And now you have it. If that's worthwhile, that's worth knowing.